All right, hey Brenda, here is a quick little overview of how the app Tailwind works on your phone and also on your desktop. So what I want to do is walk you through the process of scheduling your photos. Notice you have January 10th through the 14th presently available to you, and various time slots. Based on your following, Tailwind has determined when are some optimal times to make posts. Now, as I'm going through my photos, I'm locating the photos that I have created for you or downloaded from your other Instagram account in order to post on your Tailwind via schedule. So here I'm just using a couple of test photos so you can see the process of scheduling your post in advance. Now notice there are gray, green, and then red indicators. And what these are doing is telling me which hashtags I should use based on ones that I've used previously. Anything that's green means that it's not too competitive and not too niche. I will, however, pick some of the grayed out hashtags because that means that there are some people in your specific niche using those hashtags on a regular basis. Now notice I've scheduled that first post for 8:20. I can also move that post to other location times and as well as other days, all by holding, dragging, and dropping. Now I'm going to scroll back down to that original folder that I looked at just to schedule one more. And again, I'm going to go through the process of selecting the hashtags. Now, using a competitive hashtag is not necessarily a problem because what it does mean is that there are millions of people using that hashtag. So it's important to have a few competitive hashtags per post because you would like to have some people spill off from those major hashtags and start following you. Using the green hashtags means that it's not as competitive, so your posts are more likely to be seen. When you use a competitive hashtag, your post appears at the top for most recent, but because there are so many hashtags and so many posts being presented, your post gets pushed down rather quickly because of the other millions of people competing for that hashtag. Again, by using the gray hashtags, it's a niche, so your post, especially if you're able to get lots of engagement and likes on that post, can remain in the top 9 squares of a post for a rather long time. Now notice, it'll always schedule your post for the next available spot, which in this case was Thursday the 10th. But I could also move that post all the way around as well. Now what this app does is it schedules it and it gives you a text reminder when it is time to make those posts. If you want the ability to have it automatically post for you, you would have to upgrade to the annual plan, which is $110 per year. But for this free version of this app, it allows you to schedule, write, populate with hashtags, and do most of the essential things required for posting. You can also go back in and edit the various hashtags, as well as edit the messages beneath the post that you've selected. So this is just a quick overview of how to use this application on your phone. Now I'm going to swing over and show you how this works on the desktop. So over here, you can see the post that we've previously scheduled, and I can actually move these posts around. I can also change the caption right from here. I can also add various spacing. I myself love to space things out. It gives more engagement time. People have to scroll the words on your post in order to see what you actually wrote. And so this is a very easy way to manage your Instagram account for free with just the ability to schedule your posts. Now what I'm going to do from here is schedule out a week in advance. It's not necessary to post all the slots that they recommend. If you just do at least one slot per day, you're off to a good start. So that concludes this tutorial of how to use Tailwind on both your phone as well as the desktop. If you wanted to be able to schedule an entire month in advance, again, like I said, you're looking at $120 per year to schedule your posts. To do it monthly, you're looking at $14 per month. So that concludes the tutorial. Thank you.